Hello and welcome to this series of videos on a closet organizer. I'm going to tell you how to put together a closet organizer. Kind of brief. This is Easy Track. It's a real simple system. Most homeowners probably could do this or get a handyman to help you out. Basically, what it is, you get a new home and you got new spaces, and you have to, kind of make do with what you got. So with closets, a lot of people like with clothes. It's like, well, I love big closets and everything. Well, you could utilize the space better by putting together a closet organizer. So, the first step really is to find out what type of clothes you have. Do you have a lot of hanging clothes, long hanging clothes, or shorts like shirts and pants? You could probably hang them, fold them over, those type of things, or for like blouses or dresses and things like that probably have to have a full length section there, or you have a lot of stuff that you put in drawers like socks and underwear and pajamas and stuff like that. Just one probably hide and kind of just throw in there. So make the assessment of percentages of what you have and what you don't have and what you like to have, so that you know that that you got the right space here now and the right format for it. So let me show you a little bit what I kind of got going on here. Let me put my hat on here. This is my my work hat. So just so you know. So it's kind of hard to tell here, but this is an old organizer that I have, but I'm going to probably pretty much model it the way it is. It's just going to change the color of it. The reason why I did that here was because I thought that my shoe rack here that I did, and I'm going to flank it on both sides here. So I got this here, and I got these at IKEA. This is, like $10 each. So you got that here, and then I picked up boxes here. So actually a pair of shoes in here and here. So the ones that are on top are usually the ones I really like, but the other ones might be a little similar or something like that. Who knows? And then I was going to put them on this side as well. So on both sides, you'll have this. So I got a good solution for shoes. And then in here, you could kind of tell there might be some drawers here and some shelves and hanging stuff here. So, but yours might be different than everything else. You got different spaces. There's a lot of cool stuff out there. Check it out. This is what the video is all about. So just wanted to share that with you. And then the next one will be more of the development of kind of where I'm at. We'll see you.